What's poppin', bloodies? What's good, y'all? It's your girl FINEPANAMA, and I'm back to do a hair review. Basically, look at this hair, you guys. First of all, let's shout out to God that I did this myself, you guys. I literally did this myself. It is a U-part wig. I'm gonna tell you guys the company I bought it from, where to find them, all that, how much I paid. I can't really give a in detail review about like pros and cons because I literally just put the wig on today. So but I can like do an updated review in a few weeks to let you guys know exactly how I feel about it. But let's get right into this. Okay, so this is my hair, you guys. It is 22 inches. Sorry, I'm in my jammies. Let me show you guys. It is 22 inches. It goes about to the beginning of my bootay. This hair color is a number 1 or B, whatever is their natural, like kind of black, jet black. And my hair is usually a number 4, as you can see, but it blends well. It looks like I have a little bit of highlights or whatever, but I'm not too upset about the blendage right now, like the color blendage. It's working well for me. So I got a body wave U-part wig. So the wig has a U-part that's free, so I can put my real hair in the front. I have little to no hair. Like I just have like bare minimum, just so it covers the top. You could see clearly my hair from the wig hair. Not too much of a difference, honestly, but yeah. So this hair is from a company called LUVME. I found them on Instagram. I hit up my sister one day and I was like, dude, I need a wig. And I saw this company just looking on Instagram, and the packaging is so freaking cute. It's purple, my favorite color, and gold. You could find them on YouTube. I watched a lot of reviews before I bought the hair because I was scared. You know, it's scary buying hair, you know, especially from companies you don't know, especially wigs. Like, but anyways, it did come from China, but you know, so far I really like the texture. It blends really well. It was super easy for me to put it together. It looks like a goddamn sew-in, although it's not, because I don't know how to do a sew-in just yet. But I'm learning, and if anybody wants to chime in and teach a bitch, I'm more than willing to learn. Okay, so let me show you guys what all came in the box. They gave me this red straightener by LUVME, obviously. It's cute. I already have a straightener, but why have one when you could have two? You know what I'm saying?
Why have one when you can have two? You know what I'm saying? Shit.
It came with like, obviously this little hairnet on it. They give you a wig cap, which I didn't use because I don't really know how to scalp braid. I can do more, I don't know how to explain it, but I didn't use the wig cap. They came with this little cute little makeup bag with a rat tail comb, strap for if you want to sew it on and make it tighter. But I mean, I'm wearing it fine. There's no lumps in my hair, and I just have my hair like plaited, and then I put rubber bands at the end, and there's no lumps in my hair. Like, you can't even tell that it's a wig, so that's a good thing. Came with a clip, some bobby pins, some hair wax stick. I guess that's for this part, but I don't use it. But thank you, LUVME hair. Some tweezers and another clip. Also came with a little booklet that says 22 because I got 22 inches. The booklet just tells you how to care for the hair, how to use the hair, facts and questions, and it also has return and refund info, and it also has contact info, which is very important. Yeah, so I paid, the wig was originally 170 something, 73 or something like that, and I ended up paying 130 because they had a discount code available. So it wasn't that pricey. It's long. It's super cute, affordable, and just, I love it already. So far, so good. Like I said in the beginning, I can't really say any pros or cons. The hair hasn't shedded a lot at all. I've had it on all day. I've had it on for a couple hours. I haven't gotten any shedding at all that I can recall. The texture's great. Everything's great so far. So that's all I really have to say. The company, again, is LUVME Hair. I'll put their Instagram in the bio of this video. So a bitch is slayed. So I also wanted to touch on Nipsey's unfortunate demise, you guys. I am such a huge Nipsey fan. I've been a Nipsey fan since I was 14 years old. 2011, I remember my first real boyfriend that I had at 14. I don't want to say his name because I don't want to give nobody no fucking clout, but shout out to you because he definitely put me on to Nipsey. I remember the first song that he showed me was Rose Clique, I'm sorry. And Nipsey's words just spoke to me. Nipsey has done nothing for me in reality, but his music, his words, his wisdom, the game that's wrapped and laced in everything that he puts out into the world is just like, I don't know, you guys. I'm so hurt and broken by this unfortunate event, you know, like, as a fan, I remember just finding out about Nipsey when he was underground and just going hard for him for years, just loving Nipsey, it's just crazy that he's really no longer on this earth. And the hardest part, which probably other fans can agree with, the hardest part to accept is there's no more game, there's no more wisdom, wide words, there's no more advice from the great, there's no more music that just speaks to your soul. Like, I swear to you guys, Nipsey's music has gotten me through the darkest points of my life and humbled me through the best times of my life. You get me? Like, Nipsey made me the woman that I am today. And it's just so unfortunate. I wish that when he was alive, I would have worked up the courage to go to a concert. If you know me personally, you know that I do not like concerts. I don't like being around strangers. I don't like being in surroundings where there's individuals on substances that I can't control. They can't control. You get me? A lot of anxiety around strangers. Like, not in all scenes, certain scenes like the club, you know, you don't know what people are capable of. So I've always been so scared to go to a concert. So I never been to a concert, and I always wanted to go to a Nipsey concert. But you know what? It is what it is. I love Nipsey, and what I took from his death, which I still cannot accept, you guys. Like, when I found out, I was at the mall in Washington because I just got back from a Washington trip. Cried when I found out. Like, when my sister called me and she was like, Nipsey got shot, and I was just like, no way. I gotta pray. Let me call you back. I just started praying. I just started, you know, being had a lot of anxiety and just felt this stress, and I was just like, bro, if this is how I feel, and I never even met this man a day in my life, I can only imagine what his wife and family are going through. Like, because I felt like I was connected to this man, and it was just so unfortunate. My sister called me, and I was just like, pull through, Nipsey, pull through, please pull through. Like, how can I even get through life without you, without any more music? And then the next moment, I was getting texts, he's gone, like, from all the people in my life that know that I love Nipsey hit me up, and that was very special to me. But it's just so unfortunate, you guys. It was a hard day for me, and it's still hard for all Nipsey fans to accept. But I don't know. Like I said, what I took from his death was just go hard, hustle, whatever you do, know, live for it and die for it. And that sounds extreme, but it's so true. Like, I love that man so much. He just speaks to me, and everything he says, it's like, okay, you know, like, it's such an unfortunate thing that happened. But anyways, I won't say rest in peace because I can't accept the fact that he's gone, and I just have to say long live his legacy. I have to continue to be a fan till the day I die, and I send his family my condolences, and myself, because I'm broken by this. And that leads me to Kodak. Kodak had a few things to say about the Nipsey situation, and I will just say this, in my personal opinion, I don't feel like Kodak said anything disrespectful at all. I mean, yeah, it probably wasn't the right time, but it's something, just, it's an unpopular opinion. The whole world is thinking that Lauren London is a beautiful woman, and the reality of the situation is that she is gonna have to move on. Even if it takes her 10 years, 15 years, one day she is gonna have to move on, and men are gonna shoot their shot. Do I think that Kodak Black could have kept that a more private conversation? Definitely, but I feel like the public, the internet, the world is kind of jumping down his throat for his freedom of speech and trying to stop his money, trying to ban him from this. And I just feel like that's wrong. I feel like, in my personal opinion, I feel like Nipsey would not be for that. No matter what somebody else's opinion was, what somebody else had to say, all the man was saying was that he's gonna shoot his shot. And also what people didn't put out, he said that Nipsey actually motivated him to do more for his community, to step up and be a better man. But nobody shines a light on that. They shine a light on the fact that he said, he's gonna give Lauren a year to grieve, and then he's gonna shoot his shot, and he would be the best man for her, if he even has that chance. And I just feel like Nipsey would not even shine no light on that. And that's probably why Lauren has not shined no light on that, because people are going to have their opinions. He never knew this man. He has no personal effect to this unfortunate event. So you guys can't expect him to not say his opinion. You know, I just feel like that's wrong, the way the public and the internet and everybody is reacting, in my personal opinion. And if I get crucified for that, hey, oh well, because I love Nipsey to death. And I just feel like in my heart that Nipsey would not stop nobody's money for their opinion. He would keep shining. If this man wants to believe that he has a chance with a woman like that was with a man like that, then let him think that. That's everybody's opinion. It's a very big line between a fact and a fucking opinion, you get me? So I just feel like it's his opinion, whatever, keep it pushing. I feel like that's what Nipsey would do. I feel like the public is just going insane and trying to crucify him, and it's not right. He didn't say nothing extremely disrespectful. Yes, it was the wrong time. He could have not said something like that at a time like this so soon, but I feel like Nipsey wouldn't react like that. I feel like Nipsey wouldn't react to it at all, honestly. So that's just my opinion. That's all I really have to say, you guys. Long live Nip. I hope Kodak finds the best resolution to that situation, because stopping his money isn't something that anybody wants to deal with. But yes, go get your wigs, bitches, and toodaloo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you, babes. Mwah.